how to write a cover letter that really connects with the reader, the recruiter, or the person who is reading your letter. Do not be afraid of being authentic and forget about copying and pasting for each job application or each, if you're applying to grad school, one different letter. And why is that? Because the letter needs to connect your message to what that company, that employer, that organization they're looking for. When writing your letter, you introduce yourself briefly and then you let that reader know why you're a good fit for that position. At first sounds very easy and so simple to do, but it's a little tricky writing in depth using 1 page, 2 pages maximum, ideally 1 page. Some people, they believe that a letter mirrors necessarily your resume. You're gonna start creating a list of your competencies, your skills, and that's it. Another common mistake is stating on your letter that it's your dream to work there. That's so vague. How many people, millions of people applying, they say that the same job is their dreams as well. So here's the point. A letter that connects is a letter where you're gonna bring the examples of how what they're asking for, they're looking for, how your abilities, your competencies, and your skills, they qualify you to be the problem solver of that organization. Usually I recommend that you go to the job post where you saw the position, write down the major aspects in a draft, not in the letter, what they're looking for, and the specific job duties they are looking for. Then you're gonna overlap and think of your qualities, your competencies, and your experience that will be aligned with what they're looking for. Once you did the step, you're gonna go to your letter and you're gonna write down your examples, how you achieved. If they're asking for someone that is good in persuasion, you're gonna tell them using a couple of examples of situations at your current or former job where you needed this important soft skills, the persuasion, to succeed in a particular task. Exemplifying always. Do not think that what's written on your resume, it's all clear for people. And the cover letter is like a trailer for the reader. Imagine that your resume, your professional experience is your movie, and your letter will tell why that person should keep watching what you have to show. Be authentic. Again, do not be afraid of not showing yourself, but at the same time, show how you are qualified based on the examples and quantify the examples. Show results also in this letter. And at the end, do not be too passive. Just, oh, best regards. No. Say that you're available to connect. Again, state your cell phone. What's the best number to reach out to you? Your email. Say your availability to talk. So here are some basics aspects to start writing a letter that really will stand out of the crowd and will put you closer to your dream job. I hope that this video helped you rethink about your career strategies. If you like the content of career growth, professional development, and also career change, please do not forget to like this video, to subscribe here in my channel, and why not sending this video to a person, to a friend that you know that's gonna love it as well. Bye bye. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.